Hi everybody, here's a recipe for this lovely roast beef that I've made. My own blend of spices. If you want to try it, please feel free. You may not think the ingredients go, but believe me, they go. You first of all need a beef for roasting 1.5 to 2 kgs. You need for the mix tandoori masala powder. I've used 2 tablespoons. I've put that into a cup. I've put a teaspoon of coriander powder, ground garlic powder, a tablespoon of that, 3 tablespoons of the ready-made mustard, a dash of ginger oil, a dash of garlic oil, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt according to your taste for the salt. And basically I've mixed that in. I've added a little bit of water. If it's required, add a little bit of water, and basically pour that over your beef, mix it in, and just leave it to sit in that marinade for 24 hours. You can do it 48 hours if you want. I've just done mine for 1.5 days, and then basically just cook it, undercook it. I've cooked mine for 1 hour and 20 minutes. This is what it looks like. I've cut a slice already, so it's nice. It's not too overcooked, it's not too underdone. It's just right, it's beautiful and tender. I just thought you might like to give it a go. My name's Claire. If you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Enjoy.